How's it going, guys? So today we're going to talk about storage in the Canopy, camping storage, drawers, canvas storage and tables up there, under tray toolboxes down there, and everything else in between. So let's go. So I think I'll start with this big boy here. We used to have crates in the back of the Canopy. We had like, I think two or three crates, and it was just a nightmare really digging through them. They had wheels on them, we left on, and they rolled around and they just moved back and forth when you drive. And it was shit, they cracked, and then you got to dig through them. So we thought, we'll get a drawer. So we decided to go with the MRT. It's a 1 meter wide drawer by 750 back, I think. So it's a good drawer, it's super deep. We just wanted one, we didn't really need, we thought, you know, with all the dividers and everything these days, you can divide it up internally, so we don't need more than one. And this is it. So at the moment, she's pretty full. We've kind of put everything in here just to see how it all fits. Tools here, mind the fan. I've actually just got the King's tool set, which seems to have everything in it. I've added a few little things. We've got our jack, spare parts down here, spare gas hose, spare snorkel sock, stuff for the jack. In here, we've just got a heap of containers just for like spare food. Things that we always found when we go camping, that like you've got leftovers, or you want to store stuff in the fridge, heap of Tupperware containers, just increase the amount of plastic that we reuse, rather than chucking stuff away. So heap of there, and then up the back, it's a bit harder to see, but we've got our camp ovens, spare air filter down here, one of these little bad boys. Check this out. We haven't used this yet, but it's supposed to keep the flies away. Look at that. So yeah, just a spare tray, stuff for the Weber as well up the back. Propane for the jet boil. A braai, basket, kettle. And then a few more tools right up the back there. You can see just like spare stuff. Velcro, hoses, thread tape, and 12-volt stuff and that kind of thing. Here we've got the canvas storage. So the canvas storage throughout the Canopy that we decided to go for was Grab Me Gear. There's a link down below in the description if you want to check out their stuff. Awesome stuff, really high quality and Australian made. So they make a bunch of stuff as well, so I'll show you the other things we've got, but these are the biggest ones we have. And we love them just because they've got that clear top, so you can just see what's in there, and then like really good quality zips, and really thick canvas handles, and quite deep. So we've actually got two of them, so there's another one over there. So these are just everything, like spare toiletries, fly nets, what else we got in here, just soap, in this one like aluminium foil, mozzie coils, spare tea towels, all that kind of thing, spare cups, more containers, pegs, so all that kind of thing is in these two. So it's the kind of storage that we won't go into all the time, but every now and again we need to grab something out. So yeah, we love them. Grab Me Gear is just, I don't know, it's just that really good quality stuff that you can't skimp on, especially when you're traveling around. Like, you just want to have good quality stuff. You want to know it's not going to break, you know, it's not going to tear. So as you see some other stuff we've got, like, it's really important that it's high quality. Moving on, it's quite full. Down here, so this is where, still a work in progress at the moment, but we've got a Grab Me Gear, it's just velcroed on so it can come off, but it's where we're just going to keep all our cords, our chargers and that kind of thing. I think we just need a place to keep all the camera gear, batteries, that kind of stuff. So having a good little pocket like this just here where we can just chuck stuff. Even I've just got spare Anderson plug cords, and then that's, yeah, it comes off, so super handy that you can just pull it off if you want to, I don't know, take it to a table or whatever. So yeah, love that. Zips up, quality stuff. Toiletries is obviously something that you need to grab every single day, hopefully. So we've had this basket, and I just kind of put it there temporarily back in the day, and we kind of just keep it there. It's super handy to just have it sitting there, and we just have all the essentials in there. So toothpaste, shampoo, whatever. One of the coolest little things I've done with the Grab Me Gear thing, I think anyway, is this little bad boy. So as you just unclip that, we come down. So it's just like a 3-fold little storage pocket, and it comes with like a clip up there. So look, I don't know how people usually use it, probably just roll it up and pack it away, but I thought we'd hang it up. And yeah, it like you can't have heaps of stuff in there, I guess, but it's just for the essentials, and then you can see what you need. So we've just got extra stuff in there, and yeah, so, and then you kind of just pack it away. You just fold it 3 times, and I've just put a couple of these little brackets here, and then when you pull this tight, it literally does, like, it's not going to be able to unroll. That's as much movement as it's got. So that's super handy, and it's out of the way. It's like fully out of the way. Just, I don't know, we don't really utilize the roof too much, so yeah, I thought that's pretty clever. The table on TikTok, if you're not following us on TikTok, go follow us on TikTok. People love this. People loved the little idea of the table up the top. So tables, I guess it's something, yeah, you bring out every now and again, and not essential because of the kitchen on the other side, which just got the slide out one. So this is just something I thought would be good to, yeah, again, same as that, get it out of the way. So I've just made some like little L brackets at the back, and little spacer there, and it kind of just sits up there, and then this is just through some brackets, and I just pull this tight, so it comes out really easily. You just loosen this off, and then you can pull it straight out. So, and then you can just tighten her up. So yeah, that's really handy. It hasn't fallen down even on corrugation and stuff, so I think if you pull it tight enough, it can't really move either way. So yeah, I like that idea, so I might patent that one. More Grab Me Gear stuff. So this is one of their big canvas bags. I'll get it out. In here we've just got like spare towels and linen and stuff. So, and like whatever, like spare blankets and that stuff. So obviously having canvas, good quality canvas stuff, easy to carry, really good buckles. It's yeah, we found it like, and yeah, I just like how simple it is, and then we can just pack it away. The fact that it's canvas, it's like, it's strong, and we've actually got 2 more of these bags. So another one is just extra stuff, I think, and then another one we're actually going to use for like dirty laundry. Yeah, we're going to try and save having a basket, laundry basket, and just use one of these. Like I said, good strap, so you can take it with you wherever. The rest of the storage in here, this is our like ground mats. We've got 2 big ground mats that we put out. Snorkeling gear, it's my drill. Then down here, hidden away, is the compressor. It's heavy, so having it up the front of the canopy with the battery and that kind of thing was important. Underneath that stuff, I'm not going to climb up there, sorry, but we've just got some spare shockies, in U-bolts and stuff hidden under there. Then literally all we have here is Megan's chair, my chair, and the ladder. So that's pretty much it on this side. All right, so in the space cab, there'll be a whole nother video on this and our clothes storage, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, because you don't want to miss that one. That's probably one of the better ideas we've had, so yeah, stay tuned. But as far as storage goes that's not clothes, is again more grab me gear things, just Velcro. Really handy to put, I guess, documents and anything, whatever in there. It's just going to be super handy, and I like the fact that they just stick onto everything. So if I want to put them in the canopy, because we've got carpet in there as well, I can put them in there. First aid kit, we're actually getting a new first aid kit from Survival First Aid, so check our Instagram soon. Hopefully it should be arriving soon. And which is a full four-wheel drive outdoor first aid kit, which has all the important things, so we'll be running you through that as well. That's the projector jump starter kit, lithium jump starter. Important when you're by yourself. Not too much more in here. Oh, the old hat thing. I made it. It works. It works pretty well. Gets our big hats out of the way. I've seen lots of people do it. I think I've done it right. It stays there. So, and in the front storage, just got our tire deflator, just in case we need it quickly. Then binoculars, bit of bird watching. That's pretty much it. We've also got these under tray toolboxes down here, one on each side. So we've just got recovery gear, some straps and bolts and that in there, little shovel up there, the foldable shovels, jumper leads and heaps of ratchet straps, Oki straps, and that's about it, I think. So it's not too heavy, and yeah, I don't know, look at this. So we probably would need to upgrade these one day, but at the moment they do the job. So in this one we've just got a heap of bits and bobs, carabiners, clamps, hose for the tap that's there, spare toilet paper, pegs, sand pegs, spare rags, dustpan and brush. I think there's a towel in here. So I guess it's also because these obviously stay on when the canopy is not on. So it's just important stuff to have when you're driving. Yeah. So the last but not least thing, probably one of the more important things for campers, is the bin bag. So this is the universal bin bag by Grab Me Gear. This one just straps around our Max Tracks. Two sections. In here we've just got spare bin liners and string and rope and stuff, extra stuff that if it gets stolen doesn't matter. And then in there is just your rubbish. So there's a good thick plastic liner in there, and then we'll probably put our bin liners within that. And then it zips down the bottom so you can pull it out, zips up the top. It's got heaps of these little ringlets that you can use to tie off to things. They're super high quality straps under here. So she's really solid. So that's an important one. Obviously trying to keep everything clean and tidy, and have a specific area for where you're putting your rubbish. Super important. We used to just hang the bin bags on these things, and they used to fall and blow around and all night. So that's going to be a game changer for us. We're super happy about that. So Grab Me Gear, I think, do a couple of different ranges of their bin bags, so check out their website. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much all the storage we've got. So covered pretty much everything. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're slowly getting up the subscribers, which is good. If you've got a mate who might like our content, send this video to them. And yeah, just like the video. We've got so many more things coming up in the works, and some really exciting news coming very soon. So we're going to share that with everyone. And yeah, that will be it for now. So bye.